This is the front porch. Where that is right there is where the creek bed usually is, and it's usually only about 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep. It's been raining non-stop. Let's go take a look over here. Lightning. I'm sure you'll see some thunder in a second. It's about 8-ish, 7-ish. I don't remember. Doesn't that just sound promising? Walking down the road here. Alright. I'm not going down there. Okay, let's explain something over here. Okay, usually over here, at the end of that, right where my finger is, there's a rock wall that drops 6 feet on the other side. It is now level in the neighbor's yard. They have a bigger pond than we do. So we're thinking that it's completely full, which is a big problem because we think it's going to back up. This goes under the road and it goes in over here. That's pretty gnarly. Woo! Good old Wisconsin.